This is one more of the drones. See there, people? You know drone, no. A good look up underneath it. So you see, a plane have window, everything. Drone don't have nothing at all. This is a good view of it. See it there? See it there? One of their drone. Shield. Three times I went to the 4506 17th Avenue, New Southwest, Calgary, Alberta, BC police station. 3 times, and they were dismissive of me and these. And only to find out that one of the police officers that I went to, he is one of them that driving a red Mazda, running me around in the city. The other police officer, female police officer, that I went to on Sunday, December 15, 2024 at 1:07 p.m. She asked me what kind of drugs me dip on or what kind of alcohol me I drink. After going on the computer, check my date of birth. Only to find out she's one of them also that is running me around in the city. In the private car. After doing my investigation, see I find right here where the Hawc police helicopter is landing. So I want to know, are they protecting us? Are they protecting a few? Huh? Mr. King Charles, Honorable King Charles, Defense Minister of Canada, Prime Minister of Canada, I want to look into this. Calgary, Alberta, Northeast. I'm at 1902 Northeast. That's where this Hawc helicopter is landing. I have to do my own. I have to run them down to find where they are landing. Similar with the drone that landing at the YYC Calgary International Airport. I have to run it down at night to find out where these drones are landing. Just to find out. I'm not going to stop highlight the injustice that I face with these. The Pegasus spyware that they put on my device. Calgary Police Service Department and the Navy at the YYC International Airport.